Welcome to a short tutorial on how to search for any information from prior studies in iQ-WEB RIS. As radiologist, I want to search for any information from prior studies such as study data, report, to evaluate the justifying indication of the planned procedure. For doing this task, I will go to Workflow tab. Select Search option Manual. Choose the task type, Perform First Reading. Select Status, Pending. Open a pending task by double-clicking. Open Old Reports tab on the left side menu. Click the I icon from the prior report. Patient, report details, and report content is displayed. Press Export button. A PDF version of the report is created and downloaded into the local download folder. Thank you for your attention.